Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix screenshots not working on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again, click on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, click on My Phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on System. After click on System, click on Reset Phone. And if you want to fix this problem, so click on Reset All Settings. Click on Reset and enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screenshots not working on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.